दूंगी। तुम जहाँ भी होंगे तुम्हें पकड़ के निकालूंगी। डिलिजेंस, होमवर्क, प्रेपरेशन, ये है रॉ के काम करने का तरीका।
इसके होते हुए एक भी और रॉ एजेंट नहीं मिलेगा, ये एसीपी यशवर्धन का वादा है।
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up the fantastic trio, John, Sonakshi and Tahir. Oh boy, this is incredible. This is a powerful film, absolutely sensational. And are we all excited for the trailer of Force 2?
So guys, a very good afternoon, and we won't speak much right now, but we'd like you to watch the trailer of Force 2, and we're going to take our seats. Please watch it. Please don't flash, and please don't shoot any videos of the trailer, because we've got the original playing. So just give us a lot of respect there, and we'll play the trailer twice for you guys. Yeah, thank you.
Geek who's all minds and yet physical. So how's the experience been? What was the idea behind it?
I think we wanted a film that was larger. The problems were larger. So the problems in Force 2 are larger. And we wanted a character that's far more evolved than the antagonist in Force 1. And I think for us, Tahir, checkmarked all the boxes for us, and we thought he was. I saw him in Mardani, and Abhinay and I kept discussing about Tahir, and finally, I think when we collectively, Abhinay and Vipul met him, and I met him too. I had the pleasure of meeting him, and then we got him on board. So I think the antagonist of this film is far more evolved. And I always say this, the strength is always here, not here. And Tahir's got that strength of character in this film. He's fantastic, and when you actually, when you see him, there's portions that I've seen in the film, and I'm speaking offhand, I shouldn't be saying this, Abhinay, but I got goosebumps with certain portions of his, and you really feel for this character, which is fantastic. And it's got so many shades and so many layers, so I think he adds so much value to this film, and the antagonist and the character in itself adds a lot of value in this film.
Fantastic. Sonakshi, so many stunts, actually, going shoulder to shoulder.
The last part, it was actually a lot of fun for me, and it's something that I've actually been very athletic. Even when I was in school, I used to enjoy playing sports, and I feel doing this kind of stuff liberates me in certain ways. So I was really excited to do the stunts that were told to me in this film. I feel like it was just a carry forward from Akira, doing in the action space, and I feel this was the right film to portray a different type of action, more sleek, more stylized, very amazing car chase sequences, high octane stunts and stuff. So it was really a fantastic experience, and I was matching John step by step, and he was very encouraging. And even though he made fun of me every now and then, but at the end of the day, he appreciated my work, which is what counts. And I guess everybody was happy, so that makes me happy.
Yeah, just
for me, it's easy to beat up someone.
All right, Tahir. You're just looking at you. It is very difficult to visualize.
That question is for the producer over there.
And in Mardani, it was brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. We saw the shades of the.
Thanks. To answer your first question, I really believe that no one is all bad or all good. I like to play characters as if there are shades of bad in good and good in bad, and that's really what attracted me to this role. जब मर्दानी जैसी आप पिक्चर करते हैं और आपको ऑडियंस का और क्रिटिक्स की अप्रिसिएशन मिलती है, तो लाइक एवरीवन इज यूजिंग द फ्रेज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, द बिग गेम. It's important to pick a project that ups it in terms of everything, in terms of the script, the story, the action, and Force 2 checked all those boxes for me. It was a bigger project. It had the opportunity to act, and that's why I took it on. And just to add to where John left off, to say that he's liked what I've done. I would just like to say that I was only doing my second film, and an actor's performance really depends on how he's treated on set and how he's dealt with. And I was dealt with no less than the other stars who are sitting, and I felt like I'm doing my 25th film. So a lot of you're seeing sitting on stage, it wouldn't have been possible. Would have.
Absolutely.
Every time there is a cross-border terrorism attack happening, and when soldiers lose their lives, we see a lot of statement of sympathy condemning those attacks from our own artists, but none from the Pakistani artists. So that has always been a bone of contention. Recently, Subhash Chandra Ji of GZ said that he requested those Pakistani artists to condemn the attack without naming Pakistan, but they refused. So in this case, I mean, how do you look at it? Isn't that unfair on their part?
So, if I have to answer it, I just think it's important about what we do. We are not in a position to opinionate about what the others do or don't do. So, we can only speak for ourselves. Sonakshi can speak for whether she goes through the emotion, whether I go through the emotion, and what we express is solely our opinion. And I'm just very fortunate to be a part of the film industry because I think we really go out there and we express our solidarity with not only our country but with our soldiers who I again say on record are the true heroes of this country.
Sonakshi, your point?
Yeah, no, I agree. I mean, whether it gets carried forward or doesn't get carried forward, whether it's reaching us or not reaching us, we don't know. So we can only speak for ourselves and, do our job, which is to stand by our own people. So that is what we are doing.
Right, what do you have to say for your own people for this? जो हमारी तरफ से एक कदम उठाया है इंडियन आर्मी ने, उसके लिए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Happy.
यही कहना चाहेंगे, फर्स्टली थैंक यू कहना चाहेंगे क्योंकि उन्होंने इतना बड़ा कदम उठाया है एंड लाइक जॉन सेड अर्लियर दिस वाज द नीड ऑफ द आवर वी हैव टू डील विद टेररिज्म एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट फाइनली इट्स हैपनिंग एंड we all as citizens of this country, as people who live here and who love our country, we are all very, very thankful to them.
Just to add to what Sonakshi said, first of all, sir, इससे पहले जो आपने एक question पूछा था, just to a slight correct me if I'm wrong, it's not a story about Indian soldiers. हर country की एक covert कह सकते हैं covert team होती है, covert force होती है. अमेरिका में इस force को CIA के नाम से जाना जाता है. इंडिया में इसे Research and Analysis Wing कहते हैं, जिसका नाम है RAW. So this is a story about raw agents जो खुफिया या गुप्त operations undertake करते हैं जिसके बारे में public को अक्सर पता नहीं लगता.
Sir, I said it's a tribute to the...
Sure. So no, just for everyone, it's a story about raw, about what took place this morning. By our constitution, we are not an aggressive country, but in our history, it is written that if we are pushed to a limit which questions our freedom, then we must defend ourselves.
मुझे इस फिल्म में भी काम आई टू डू द एक्शन इन टर्म्स ऑफ कैरेक्टर. आई थिंक कैरेक्टर इतनी अच्छी तरह लिखा गया था और इतना इंट्रीगिंग और इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर था विच इज़ वाई आई डिड द फिल्म एज वेल क्योंकि ये एक लड़की है जो स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेड है, उसका अपना ओपिनियन है, शी इज़ एन अल्फा इन हर सेल्फ, अपने आप को किसी और से कम नहीं समझती एंड वो एक आदमी की दुनिया में अपना काम कर रही है एंड शी इज़ डूइंग रियली वेल. सो दीज एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ द कैरेक्टर I felt attracted me towards the film and जो raw agent बनना था I think क्योंकि कैरेक्टर इतनी अच्छी तरह लिखा गया था, क्योंकि मैं अपने डायरेक्टर से बात करके उनसे समझना चाहती कि उनका क्या विजन है, वो कैसे पोर्ट्रे करना चाहते हैं इस कैरेक्टर को. उन्होंने बहुत हेल्प की मेरी. अदर देन दैट आई थिंक जो कपड़े होते हैं, जो जब शर्ट पैंट जैकेट गन का होल्स्टर आ जाता है आपकी चाल ही बदल जाती है. दैट एड्स अ लॉट टू द कैरेक्टर एज वेल. सो आई फील एवरीथिंग वाज वेरी वेल लेड आउट फॉर मी टू प्ले दिस कैरेक्टर एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट आई गॉट टू डू इट. So now my next movie we'll talk about next time.
Yeah, raised over the inclusion of Pakistani actors in Bollywood movies. Do you think we should encourage calling you or tagging you as action queen?
You must.
Elaborate a little. Did you know that it will be that phrase will be so truthfully?
Honestly, I'm very fond of action films, which is why even in the past I've been a part of a lot of action films, be it Rowdy Rathore, Dabangg 2, Son of Sardar, and I just enjoy watching it as a genre. And every time I would be a part of those films, I would always watch my heroes and be like, when am I going to get to do this cool stuff? And that happened with Akira, and I couldn't be more thankful that it's carrying forward with a film like Force 2, and I really enjoy it, like I said. So I'm in a very good space, happy space. I will work hard to retain my tag that you have given me of this action queen, and I hope that I get to do more films like this as well in the future. खामोश का क्या ओपिनियन है? खामोश या वो बहुत खुश है. वो तो पहले से ही जानते थे कि मैं कैसी हूँ, और अब उन्हें स्क्रीन पर देखने को मिल रहा है, तो वो बोल रहे हैं अब तुम्हारी असलियत बाहर निकल रही है, एंड ही इज वेरी हैप्पी, ही इज वेरी प्राउड.
मेरा नी डैमेज हुआ, उसके बाद हंगरी में जहाँ पे हम शूट कर रहे थे, 2 नी ऑपरेशंस की हमने वहाँ पे. और अभी भी मुझे याद है, जब भी मैं गाड़ी में बैठ रहा था, विपुल जी जो है एक्चुअली यूज्ड टू लिफ्ट माय लेग एंड पुट इट इन द कार, क्योंकि मैं हिल नहीं सका उस टाइम पे. और मुंबई में आके एक और ऑपरेशन किया मैंने, तो 3 नी सर्जरीज हुए मेरे. But I think by the end of it, I think the result was good for the knee also and for the film also. सब ठीक था. लेकिन एक्शन में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, but it's fun.
John, lifting the car. I remember during one of the promotional events you had even picked bike. Are there any such plans for Force 2? And is it a conscious decision on your part to include at least one such heavy scene in the movie?
I think Force is about power, and I think it was Abhinay and Vipul's decision to continue, the character of ACP Yashvardhan, and it was the way they set honestly, it was the way Abhinay set the entire scene up. The only input I had in lifting the car was how my posture looked, very honestly. So I give credit to him for really doing this. But I think it's important that Force stands for certain things, and I think what Abhinay has done very smartly in this film is not only has he got out the power element, but this film also has a fantastic story. When you see the trailer, it says dedicated to the heroes who lost their lives, and that's something we discussed. This is based actually on, if I may say so, Vipul, this is actually based on true events. So by the end of the film, you'll be shocked. So it's we were inspired by a lot of true events that we've put together. So there's a lot of credibility in the story. So I think, yes, to answer your question, it's great to show ACP Yashvardhan very powerful, but it's also important to have a good story. LOC की बात कर रहे हो आप, जो specific targeted ये हुआ. I think it's high time we respond to terrorism. We are, as a country, हम लोग बहुत ही tolerant है, and I think it's high time we put our foot down and we show what India can do.
सोनाक्षी, आपका भी रिएक्शन जानना चाहेंगे इस पर?
जी, I am in complete agreement with John.
सर, पाकिस्तान एक्टर को बैन करना चाहिए अभी.
We'll talk about Force 2.
So Force
Hi, John.